Before we dive into the world of Western dramas, take a moment to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. We appreciate your support. And are you ready for a new Western series that's not afraid to challenge the archetype of the rugged stoic leader? Look no further than Netflix's latest offering, Territory. This show follows the Lawsons, a family who've owned a vast Australian cattle ranch for generations, and their struggles with succession and control. The protagonist, Colin Lawson, is reminiscent of John Dutton from Yellowstone, but with a twist. While John Dutton is often portrayed as a sympathetic character, Colin Lawson is a more complex, detestable figure. His parenting methods and leadership ideologies have weakened the cattle station, leaving it unprepared for the future. Unlike Yellowstone, which often strives to make John Dutton's cause sympathetic,
Territory focuses on the heirs of the Lawson family.
The show doesn't shy away from depicting Colin's abusive behavior towards his son Graham, refusing to sugarcoat or excuse his actions. In contrast, the Yellowstone rarely lets John Dutton be the bad guy. Despite his flaws, the show often portrays him as a captivating anti-hero. However, upon closer examination, John Dutton's actions reveal a more sinister character, manipulative, corrupt, and abusive. So what sets Colin Lawson apart from John Dutton? For starters, Colin is no longer in charge of the Marianne Station, having delegated his responsibilities to his son, Daniel. This shift in power dynamics creates an interesting dynamic, especially when compared to John Dutton's continued grip on the Yellowstone Ranch. In a humorous twist, it's worth noting that Colin Lawson's age is often mocked in the show, particularly after a physical altercation where he comes out on the losing end scene. And can you imagine John Dutton being mocked for his age? Unlikely. But that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.